Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a link to your TikTok bio. So if you want to drive traffic to your Instagram, YouTube, or other social platforms from TikTok, you can just watch this quick tutorial because I will show you how you can add a clickable link to your TikTok bio. And here what you need to do first is just open the TikTok applications from your phone. Okay, so once the TikTok is open, now you can just go straight to your profile by clicking on profile at the bottom right corner. Then here on your profile you can just tap on this edit profile. Okay, in here you can just scroll down until you find the links options. So tap on add, and you can see there are four type of links that you can add: Lemonade, Instagram, YouTube, and also Twitter. So you can just choose which link that you want to add into your TikTok bio. For example, in here I'm going to try to add Instagram. Click on add. Okay, so since you already have the application and already sign in, you can just fill in this, or you can just log in to Instagram in here. So just fill in the credentials in here, your login credentials on here. And then you can just tap on login. Just wait. Okay, after this you can just wait until the okay, I think there's some error on the server, so you can see invalid request. Let's try another link in here. Let's try YouTube. You can tap on add. Here, if you have more than one Google account, just choose the one that you are using for your YouTube channel. And then here you need to authorize so that TikTok can have access to your Google account. So just tap on continue, and just like that the link will be added. So when you go back to your profile, you can see there will be this link added into your bio. So others just can click it and it will direct them to your social profiles on other platforms. So that's all for me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.